29 of April 2024. We are looking at MES, and today is Monday. This is Trap Trader from London. We'll be focusing today on catching something on ES at the open. That's what we have here on ICT levels. So we had Asia sell side taken. This is London sell side. This is Asia sell side, which has been taken right now. We just push into the daily fair value gap on ES. Let's have a look. Yeah, so we did close, and we are actually tapping into this candle over here on 4 hours. So let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Are we gonna continue? Oh, that is just a liquidity sweep. We do have liquidity up to 5157. Let's see what they're gonna do. So far bullish. All right. Where could we go on that move? Technically speaking, once we get into this level 67, we will have some trapped shorts, sorry, trapped longs here that will be getting out. No, just watch this now. So far it's just bullish. Tick chart is at the top above 1000. We just hit 1000. We're holding. It's 2 minutes. Candlesticks. Market is pushing. Let's look at some shares. US dollar is pushing high as well, which is against markets. Let's see. So we had that push 2000. popped into this 55, around 55. Still got 57 liquidity. Might get them or might not get them. We might go to 55, 57. We might push for it, so let's just wait and see. Tick trade is holding quite high. 700 area. This buy side liquidity here has been taken Asia. If we start to fall, why close this weekly gap? That could be a possibility if we start to fall. So let's watch this. I look for entry. You see it so far. It's just a bullish fair value gap here. But the market is so I'm looking for bearish fair value gap somewhere here in this area. Could be on 2 minutes candle. This is 5, but it can be on 2 minutes. This is 2 minutes. We'll see. Nasdaq is already falling. Okay, I just saw a value gap on 2 minutes. It was a quick one, but will I have time to? Is this going to return to it? Fair value gap is here. 150. Let's try to get in there. If we can get it. 50, 149.75 to be honest. So I want to get in here and
order submitted.
Try to go a bit bigger.
Order filled.
Okay, we are
order submitted.
Entering the fair value gap right now.
Order filled.
Full position. Let's see. Okay. So my first target to grab liquidity would be back to
order submitted.
To this line here. To be honest here. The second one will be there. Let's see if we're gonna continue or not. Like that. Just cover some. Just cover something.
Order cancelled.
Stop loss break even. Let's see if we continue. Trade is for free right now. it might come back into this fair value gap. So my trade, so I need to put stop loss a little bit higher. Fair value gap is here, 48.50. So my stop loss will be 50, just in case we got out there. Amazon is falling. Nasdaq is falling. Nasdaq is breaking that level here. We're gonna be entering weekly gap. So ES should follow. ES should follow. Hopefully we're gonna be sitting in a nice short. And that short will give us a lot of profits. So yeah, Nasdaq is breaking nicely. I will cover 5 here.
Order submitted.
Just before that, it's in front of it. This is the liquidity. So I'm gonna close just in front of it. Market likes to run levels like this, and that will be my third target down here. I might be even covering one by one, like as we approach this level.
Order cancelled.
I can see 35 wants to be played. I can see that on bookmap 135. So I'm gonna leave that and wait. We took one off from this.
Order cancelled.
So let's cover 4 here.
Order submitted.
At 35, 85. Just in front of this level. Nasdaq keeps falling, so that's a good sign. Nasdaq has just closed that weekly low, weekly gap. Yes, should continue lower as well. Dollar is pushing higher. So the whole recipe for a move lower is here. Front running in front of this 35 level. At this point, stop loss break even. I don't expect market to go up there, but okay, it's pushing a bit. Yeah, it needs to take this low. 37, somebody wants to buy at 37 already. We could pop even up here. So I'm thinking I will close this 4 and I'm gonna re-enter 5 again somewhere here at this level, if I see it. This is 2,498. It's a good number on the downside. $37, very thick liquidity here. And Q bounced off that low, that weekly gap. I still think ES should go there. Might take a while. Mm. All right. Level at 35 is gone, so I'm not happy with that. We might just climb higher. That's the problem, especially that Nasdaq has just taken a bottom of the range from Friday. So let's see if we're gonna get a retest of that level. I'll close this here. Or I might close everything as well if I see we actually try to go up. Not gonna hold. $12 more minutes on this period A. Yeah, kind of buying it. It could come back into this fair value gap. That's the problem. Okay, Nasdaq is falling again. Let's see if he as will continue as well to the downside. Ideal scenario in 12 minutes, we'll take that low, we'll continue lower. That would be the ideal scenario. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, I'm buying it. Touching view up. Yes, it's touching view up on electronic time hours. I think I'm gonna, getting back into fair value gap. That's the fair value gap on ES. But I think there is still potential to go to this 37. That's what I would like to see. But if it doesn't do it, I'm closing everything and I'm getting out. It's a profit. Just gonna
Order
close one.
failed.
Oh, I just closed 5. Okay, fine. All right, so if I close 5, then I closed 4.
Order cancelled.
Closed 4. I have 5 left. Let's see if we're gonna go low to this 37. And if we continue to the downside, Amazon is falling, and Q is going back down as well. I'm gonna
Order
close
filled.
one here. Let's hold the rest. Let's see if this level will be taken at 52. It's 8 more minutes. Yeah, NQ is falling again, getting back to the lows. Continue lower. Let's hold this. It's looking better. Buyers are stepping in. Okay, looks good. Minus 1,000 on Delta on this candle. Got 2 more minutes. Let's see how this candle finishes. Hopefully we're gonna break the low and continue lower. Beautiful. NQ is, I'm gonna close one here.
Order submitted.
Just to take something, just to book a little profit on the way down. 35 is the level which is waiting to be tested. 53. Come on.
Order filled.
Alright. Got 3 more to go. I have 3 more to go. Risk-free trade at this point. So you might think like, oh, but why didn't you wait for price to return to this fair value gap to re-enter it? Well, the reason for why I didn't do it is I noticed that in the last week a price returned to the fair value gap all at once. Every single day we just go and we don't come back. So you see that you just have to go and grab it. We did come back a little bit because when this candle closed and this candle closed here, we did push a little bit into this fair value gap, a little bit, as you can see. And that was enough for me to get short. I'm not going to wait for this whole move to come back in here because by the time, look at this, 49.36, that's 14 points. That is a 40 points move. So we are ranging here. We might go lower, break that in 5 minutes. Or we might start to reverse and go up. But if we do, that's the fair value gap here. 48, 148, 148. That's the fair value gap here that we have on 2 minutes. Let's just put that fair value gap here. Two minutes here. That's the one. 2 minutes. I'm watching NQ and NQ as well. It's just look what NQ is doing. It's about to break through that low. And who knows? Who knows what they're gonna do after that? Can just continue lower. Yeah, can continue lower. ES has got that level here to take. So NQ already broke that. We fall. ES still has got that level to be taken. And that's the weekly gap. And this is how we look like on trading view right now. At 4 more minutes. This could be a push into the highs, back into this fair value gap. That's another fair value gap which has formed here. Right? But it's a bit too high. I mean, too low for my taste. $137. We got 3 more minutes. That's the level. Oh, this is 30 minutes candle. Low. 1 TPO. Low. And let's see if we're gonna go and grab it. And here's another level that we can take. Overnight low. And that's the weekly gap. So we can go and close that weekly gap. So I would like to close it here, to be honest. Well, 2 minutes. Unfortunately, NQ is pushing higher now. This looks like we could go to 47. 47 is up here. So it's too bullish formation on ES. We tried once, we tried second time, and they're buying it. I would like his price to turn around and drop into this gap and take that liquidity before we go higher. Am I gonna get it or not? We'll see in a second. Got 1 more minute on this candle. 13 seconds. Okay. Potentially they took that. These shorts. All right. So we're going back into this fair value gap at 148. And if we do 148, I'm gonna add. Gonna get fair push lower. So I'm gonna add here on the retest of this fair value gap. 48.
Order
So let's go
submitted.
with 2. I see liquidity up to 50.
Order
I can't do that.
canceled.
I can't do that. I see liquidity up to 50. We might go through that. This thing is full. Yeah, this thing is just holding 1,700. I think we might squeeze through that level now. But let's see. The one thing I don't want to do is turn a winning trade into a losing trade. Okay, Q is falling. They have as well this liquidity down here. So we are sitting on top of the VWAP with ES right now. $1,500. That's strong buying, to be honest. That's decent buying. What did they take? Yeah, they take a lot of liquidity. But have they taken enough? That's how I'm gonna do it. If it goes up here, it takes me out. Fine. Let's see. Liquidity is up to 150 and as well 140. We do have a fair value gap bullish one on ES that the market can tap into at 144 on 2 minutes. Okay, it's getting there. Let's see the reaction. Yeah, getting into fair value gap and the view up at the same time. Buying. They are buying that so far. Back to the fair value gap on 2 minutes. That's a question. I think we're gonna go up from what I see. It might dip a little bit and they're gonna buy that. Yeah, I'm out.
Order filled.
That's the fair value gap I'm talking about. Bullish formation. We might squeeze. That's the buy side liquidity up here. All right. Also, if I look at NQ just dropped, and now we are back into the range. We'll probably go high as well. So that brings us to $485 on this trade. Here was somewhere here was my entry. Yeah, we covered some here, and yeah, you can see where it's covered here on 2 minutes. Market is holding. It will get back into this fair value gap. Do I want to short this fair value gap? That's the question. According to ICT, this is what I should do. That will be as well the area of interest, which is the 70%. But when I'm looking on Bookmap, I can see 150 wants to be played, 152, 155, 157. So am I going to drop a short of that fair value gap here again? And that will be my risk. I think I'm going to skip that this time. Let's see if that trade would work. If you were shorting that right now. Most likely, I might go with maybe like a smaller position, like 5. So I will have to short 48. But I see a lot of liquidity here. That's the problem. That is the problem. We might even overshoot. That's 2 minute gap. That's 2 minute fair value gap. All right, let's see. Let's go with 5.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can get that. So we did tap into it. Because they could have done that push. And now we're going to drop and take that liquidity down here. Well, that is a scenario. Good play. $47, $48, $50. What's the risk? 48, and this is 54. That's 6 points. Okay, that's acceptable. As a reward is 48 and 36. That's 12 points, right? Yeah, that's 12. So it's 1. So it's 2 to 1. If I can get it. So I'm gonna pause this video and we'll see if we get it or not. I decided to skip that. Too much liquidity up here. I don't believe we're gonna sell off this right now. So let's see what I miss. This is optimum trade entry, right? That's a 70% off a value gap, bearish drop at the open, but I know how nasty market is. There will be plenty of people trying to short this, and they can use them to propel market higher. Plus, not every ICT setup will work, right? So I decided to skip this time. Only because of bookmap liquidity, I see. Very frustrating. Yes. I think we have to use okay, sorry, just the little conversation. So I can see as well the fair value gap here on 1 minute. And market. Market may react off it. All right. So it was a good decision not to take that fair value gap, which formed here. It is also, I think, quite decent decision to wait now with this fair value gap. I know, well, this federal government looks like it's gonna work, but because I see a lot of liquidity up here, 50, 55, 57. I'm kind of hesitant. I don't want to get in and start shorting it just based on the candlestick and the ICT technique. I want to see a confirmation on bookmap. I want this liquidity to be taken, and the specific conditions that need to happen on bookmap. But there you go, it works. This fair value gap worked nicely. Beautiful. Look at that. Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna get next. We took the trade 485 up, and I'm thinking just to chill a little bit. I'm gonna pause this video because I don't want that video to be too long, and we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen next. I need to switch this chart into 1 minute, and here we got the fair value gap 1 minute, same as this one here, 52, and let's watch this. Is this actually a good opportunity to short? 55 liquidity, 52. That doesn't mean it has to be traded. They would like to be traded. Sometimes market just falls. Okay, Nasdaq is pulling down. So it doesn't look like market wants to push into this high. So so far decision was correct to close the last three trades, last three contracts I had somewhere here. We closed them, and looks like we're gonna take this high. Let's quickly have a look as well on different time frame. Let's just look. Where could we go? That was the gap, fair value gap here on daily. All right, 4 hours. This daily is 4 hours. Okay. Yeah, that's fair value gap. Look at that. They just closed that. Squeezing, trying to squeeze. We just closed the B period, meaning most likely we're just gonna squeeze into this high. Let's have a look on NQ. NQ is here. Fine. That's fine. It's bullish. That was a bullish formation. Like I said, we didn't drop here. We held on this fair value gap. Boom, going higher. We just took this fair value gap now. Grinding through it. Most likely it's gonna push up. Tick chart above zero line. Holding. This is going up. All right. I'm happy with today's result. Just gonna pause this video. And we might take another trade when it shows. Okay, guys. We never got to that liquidity, and it is 11:15. So the silver bullet trade just happened. It was this one, shorting of this 1 minute fair value gap somewhere here. I jumped on it. I'm not waiting for confirmation. I mean, that's the confirmation actually that just arrived. You know, the price arrived here. That's your confirmation to get that short. But I jumped on it because I noticed that market does not wait for you. And yeah, we made $485, 510 gross, 485. So that's it. I will see you. Maybe I will be trading 2 p.m. from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. silver bullet setup as well today. We'll see. But we have a beautiful weather today in London, and I'm gonna go out now just to take a little bit of sun. This is Trap Trader from London. Take care, guys, and see you next time. Like and subscribe. Take care.